Looney Farm Guy here, and this is Sugar Production Pack by Chenben on Farming Simulator 25. It's for all platforms, PC, Mac, and console. I'm on a PS5 Pro here on the 4 field, and we have 3 productions. We have 2 sell points, and we have some silos specifically for cut sugar beet and sugar cane, which is nicely marked in them. Obviously, you can't miss that. That's obviously sugar cane in a large and small bunker. And we have sugar beet, not cut sugar beet, just plain old sugar beet in also a very clearly marked bunker. So let's take a look at them all, where we'll find them in the construction menu, and then we're going to go through the productions and how that all works. First off, factories. So as I said, we have 3 factories. There it is. The sugar mill, that's the first one you start with, or first one you should start with. It takes cut sugar beet, sugar cane, and sugar beet, and makes various products that the next one would use some of it, and that's the confectionery, and that will make, basically it makes candy. Yummy. And then we have a animal feed production, which makes TMR from various materials as well. Then if we move over to selling points, we have a couple of interesting ones. We have a biomass heating plant, which we'll take a look at. Also very nice. And then we have the market stall. So the market stall buys a whole bunch of stuff, and the biomass heating plant you see down there, straw, looks like bales, and one of the byproducts from the productions, and then wood and wood chips. Right, so this is just a sell station. It buys those things. And then if we move up over here to silos, it's like AMSR now. I move to a silo. Here we have the sugarcane silo, small and large. Sorry, I'm a little bit goofy. Yes, so let's run over to, and before I forget, that's sugar beet cut. So we're going to dump that in here, like so. Bam. Now, output in pallets, because we don't have any where that... Oh, wait a minute. What's this? I spoke too soon. We cannot remove the cut sugar beet. So let's get rid of this, because cut sugar beet is not something I can store in those areas, those silos. Okay, what do we got here? The bagasse, which is sugarcane that's been used up, or the leftover sugarcane stuff. All right, so let's take a look at the first one. We got sugar, so we're producing sugar, dehydrated beet pulp, and molasses from cut sugar beet and sugar beet. So we get the same thing in just different recipes. We're going to turn those on. Sugar cane sugar. So we get cane sugar, which is different than the regular sugar. So cane sugar is something new. And the bagasse, molasses, and cane juice. And then sugar cane sugar, which is just producing sugar as well. So we're not going to turn that one on, because it's just going to produce sugar. But we're going to turn on the... Well, that's already 2 sugars here, sugar beet and cut sugar beet. But we got those turned on to see how we're going to use them up. So we're going to run that. Oh, here we go. So, kind of a little production chain where things go and how things get used up. Sugarcane juice looks like it's just a sellable product. Molasses goes into, let's meander down over to the candy shop, where inputs. We haven't got to the inputs yet because we haven't produced some of the inputs. What are the inputs? Well, we have strawberries, sugar, cane sugar, honey, strawberries, sugar, and water. Well, I can I can put in the sugar. I can get sugar, water, strawberries, and honey, but the cane sugar is going to have to come from our factory. And this is a fairly small production, but you can see where the cane sugar is needed for actually one of the productions. The other ones, let's see, cane sugar, candy cane. So sugar and water, cane sugar, sugar and water. Yeah, sugar and honey, sugar and strawberries. Right, so most of those you can do without cow food. Nice. Again, let's take a look at this one. And we got TMR. We got 2 recipes. We have dehydrated beet pulp, molasses, and silage. Okay, 8, 8, 16. Yep, that's equal in, equal out. Very nice. And this, 80 and 80 and 60 out. That's not a good ratio. You're losing 100. That's not right. Don't know why that's. Yeah. All right. So I'm gonna fill the products into the rest of these, and then I'm gonna run the factory, and we're gonna take a look at the pallets as well. So it's gonna take me a minute to set that up, but I'm gonna start running them all actually. So I'm gonna fill them all up, what I can, run them all, get the pallets out, and we're gonna take a look at the pallets, and then we're gonna check out the sale areas, and let's go just quickly now before we do anything else. Put a little bit of sugar cane in here and see how the sugar cane silos work. Okay, that's enough. So, is this just somewhere where you just... Yeah, just dump it in? There it is. It's dumped in. Fill level. Do we have a... Hey, oh, compacting. Okay, this is... I'm gonna have to test this out now. I thought it was just a silo because it says it's a silo. So you know, to put your sugar beet, small model says. Okay, well, gonna need to investigate this. All right, so it's compacted 100%. It says blanket. Do I want to blanket the silo? Yeah. Okay. Wow. All right. Well, that's gonna be interesting. Okay, we'll be back. Alright, so we went ahead enough time to get some production. We have the dehydrated beet pulp, we have molasses, sugar production, the golden granulated cane sugar, and some more beet pulp. Now, the first thing, well, not the first thing, one of the things, couple of issues, weirdness. So, you seen me putting sugar cane in here and compressing it like it's silage, and here we go. Open it up. It says fermenting 100%. Open silo. It's still sugar cane. It didn't do anything to it. I was like, oh, maybe it makes silage or something. This one I did the same thing to this. Opened it up. I compressed it, and it's just sugar beet. It remains sugar beets. So you just seen me. It said fermenting. Just in case you say, well, you didn't check the sugarcane one. Well, let's go over there and check the sugarcane one. So I'm not sure if that's what it's supposed to do, it's just sugarcane. So I really don't know what the purpose of these are. You might as well just pour it on the ground, really. It's not auto load or anything like that. Alright, second thing. The animal feed production. So TMR, no problem. It's got, so right now I have some silage in there because I haven't, well, you can't distribute the byproducts from the factory. So the sugar bill, see, you can distribute the sugar. Confectionery. So yes, look at that, cane sugar. I have distributed it. So, and we've produced candy, so we're going to look at that. But the animal feed, I cannot distribute the dehydrated beet pulp or molasses or the bagasse at all. And oh, what about the cane juice? The cane juice, yeah. That did not come out on a pallet, did it? We're going to have to test, we're going to have to take, oh. We got molasses. Where's the cane juice? How much do we have? 24,000 liters. No, there's no special tanker that comes with this. How about, is it gonna include cane juice in any of these? Oh dear. I don't know how you get the cane juice out. Cane juice says you can sell it. Well, maybe it comes out on the pallet, because we've got the pallet are full here. So you know what? We got this. And we're just going to go ahead and we're going to have to take the pallet of molasses. Yeah, that's because that's, yes. Pallet of molasses off. And put that into our TMR production, because this is going to be the way you're going to have to do it. You're going to have to physically carry them over there, and it should accept. Is it not accepting it? Okay, let's move this out of the way. I had to put so silage did not take loose silage. We can show you that too. It took bales though, so if you have silage, you're gonna have to bale the silage, or have silage bales. Because here we're gonna throw it in there, and you're gonna see, yes. So it takes silage bales. Let's move this molasses. Is it not taking the molasses? Oh, there it is. Okay, thank goodness. I was gonna say. Oh boy. Alright. Oh, this is a slow front loader. Okay, we got the dehydrated beet pulp. So the sugar, we're going to move the sugar off, because it's being distributed now. So let's just push the sugar off the spawn point here. The sugarcane pulp, I'm not seeing any cane juice. Just the pulp. The pulp spawning. Well, there's the cane juice. Is that? No, that's molasses. Ah. Okay, let's grab some of this. Oh, that's heavy. Okay, we can manage two of these. I don't think we're going to get any... Oh, there's the cane juice. Alright, so it is comes out in pallets, but it should be a liquid that you can. Are they gonna be? Are they going? Oh, don't tell me I gotta have to lift it. There you go. Okay, it's got to be lifted. It won't. Oh boy. All right, all right. There it is. Dehydrated beet pulp. All right. Let's just run over there and look at the juice. So the juice can all be sold, cane juice, and that's. Yeah, there it is. See, it's labeled cane juice. It looks like it's in the corn oil containers, but it's in cane juice. Okay, so it does produce it. You could sell the cane juice, but a couple of weirdness. Yeah, a couple of weirdnesses. Here are the candy. Okay, let's just wrap things up here and oh, we got a chest. We gotta go. One more thing. So yeah, I wouldn't take silage out of base game trailer or this trailer, but let's go take out. And you can't set the cane juice to sell directly either because there's no production for it. It's just a byproduct. So I don't like that. There's our Bagassi. That's how you. I'm sure that's how you mispronounce it. Let's make sure this can go in. Ah yes, there we go. So silage, for some odd reason, is not accepted in bulk, which is could be a problem. There's a TMR. Do we have even beet pulp, molasses? Yeah, okay, well we can dehydrated beet pulp, molasses, and silage. Yeah, we could turn them on. We got product in there. And oh, prices for candy. Candy. Not bad. 3,500 candy canes. Cane juice is actually 1,800. So, I mean, if you're persistent and you like moving pallets around manually, you could probably make this profitable. There's quite a lot of byproducts that you can use or sell directly. Whatever you like, there it is. That's Sugar Production Pack by Chenben. Thanks for watching. Till the next one, bye for now.